Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel, WhatVwant, a technology vlog for how-to videos, tips, reviews, and many more. Want to convert MBR disk to GPT for Windows 11? Then this tutorial is for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you 6 best ways to convert MBR to GPT. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. EaseUS Partition Master. Download and install EaseUS Partition Master from its official site. Check the description for the link. Launch the application. You will find all the disk information on the screen. Select the MBR disk. Give a right click on it. And select the Convert to GPT option from the menu. Now tap on Execute Operation button. Pending operations window will be opened. There you will find all the pending operation. Finally, click on Apply button. That's it. Our viewers get special 30% discount on all the EaseUS products. Here is the video on how to get 30% discount using the coupon code. Links are provided in the description. Number 2. Disk Management. Go to the search bar. Type this PC or my computer. Select the Manage option. Computer management window will appear on the screen. Select the Disk Management option. Give a right click on each partition of the disk, and select the Delete Volume option. A warning message will appear on the screen. Click on Yes to confirm the deletion. Repeat the second step to delete all the partitions on the disk. Once the completion of deleting all the partitions on the disk, you will find the whole disk as unallocated. Now, right-click on the MBR disk, and choose the Convert to GPT disk option. That's it. The conversion process is completed. Now, you may use the new disk to create as many partitions as you want. Number 3. Disk Part. Convert MBR to GPT using disk part requires to clean up the whole disk. Remember to back up your disk data before going to clean the disk. Let's see how to convert MBR to GPT using disk part. Go to the search bar. Enter the CMD in the search bar. Select the Run as Administrator option. Command prompt as administrator will be displayed on the screen. Type the disk part and hit Enter. Now enter the List Disk command. The list of disk will be displayed on the screen. Select the MBR disk. Enter the select disk and the disk number. Again type Clean and hit Enter. It clear all the partitions in the disk. Finally, enter the Convert GPT command and hit Enter. Disk part will delete all the partitions on the disk and convert it to GPT. Once the completion of conversion process, type Exit command in the command prompt. That's it. Number 4. AOMEI Partition Assistant. Download and install AOMEI Partition Assistant from its official site. Check the description for the link. Once the completion of installation, launch the AOMEI Partition Assistant application. You will find all the disk information on the screen. Pick the MBR disk that you want to convert to GPT. Give a right click on it, and click on Convert to GPT disk option from the menu. A prompt will appear on the screen. Click on OK. The task will be added to the pending state. Now click on Apply option. A prompt will appear on the screen. Tap on Proceed. Finally, click on Yes. That's it. Number 5. Macrotit Partition Expert. Download and install Macrotit Partition Expert from its official site. Check the description for the link. Open the Macrotit Partition Expert application. You will find all the disk information on the screen. Select the MBR disk that you want to convert. Give a right click on it, and choose the Convert to GPT disk option. A prompt will appear on the screen. Click on Yes. The operation is added to the pending state. Now click on Commit option. A prompt will appear on the screen. Finally, click on OK. It convert the MBR disk to GPT and restart the device automatically. That's it. Number 6. MiniTool Partition Wizard. Download and install the MiniTool Partition Wizard from its official site. Check the description for the link. Open the MiniTool Partition Wizard application. You will find all the disk information on the screen. Select the MBR disk that you want to convert. Give a right click on it, and click on Convert MBR disk to GPT disk option. Now click on the Apply option to execute the changes. A pop-up will appear on the screen. Finally, click on Yes. That's it. Once the completion of converting MBR to GPT, enable the UEFI boot mode. To enable the boot on device, restart your PC and press F2, F8, F12, del to enter the BIOS boot menu. Locate the boot options menu and enable the UEFI mode. Change the launch CSM to enable state. Set boot device control to UEFI only. Set boot from storage devices to UEFI driver first. Set the USB UEFI OS boot option at the top of the boot priority list. Save the changes and exit the BIOS mode. Reboot the device from the GPT disk. Wait for some time to complete the task. That's it. For more information, visit our article. Link is provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if it is helpful for you. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Click on the bell icon to turn on notifications.